Today, I am going to share with you a very beautiful story about one of the great scholars of Islam, Sayyidunā Shaykh Abu Abdullāĥ al-Khayyāt. May Allah have mercy on him. There is a lesson in this story that we all need to know. So, there was a fire worshiper, someone who actually worshipped fire, not the one who just sits near the fire, but a person who actually took shirk to such an extent that he used to get his clothes sewn by this sheikh. May Allah have mercy on him. And every time he gave him a coin, he knew that this coin was fake. But he, out of respect for the sheikh, he accepted the fake coin. Then one day he was not there, so the sheikh was not there. The fire worshiper came and gave the coin to the student. The student said, "I'm sorry, I don't accept this coin. You have to give me the real one." The fire worshiper got angry and left. When the sheikh came back and heard about this, he called his student and asked, "Why didn't you take the coin?" The student said, "Because it was fake, so I didn't want to take it." The sheikh said, "Didn't I teach you to be kind to people? Didn't I teach you to show compassion towards people? What is the point of earning the pleasure of Allah Almighty if you do and even earn the trust of a fellow human being?" He then explained to his student, "For many years, this man has been giving me fake coins, which I always accepted, so that he would not give it to any other Muslim. If you had taken the coin, he would have been very happy. Maybe Allah Almighty would have accepted it as charity from him because of your action. And Allah knows best what is inside the heart of a person. And I ask Allah Almighty to make us from those who are kind, compassionate, and merciful. Thank you very much."